When your friend abuses his dog. This is going straight to YouTube. Possibly Instagram, I don't know. What the freak? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's actually you. That's definitely not your dog. It's always abusing you. That's you. What? Freaking hacker. Ow! You don't have to freaking hit me! Stop! Freaking didn't do anything.
You're freaking... Wait, is this 98%?
90. Wow. I can't wait till the dog comes out. I'm freaking still recording. It's freaking already a minute. Well, I just leaked my gamer tag. And all in your guys's. I just leaked all your guys' name tags. Like actually. Oh yeah, I actually showed the party overlay. And also my brother went to the messages. You guys are gonna get spammed. Especially Ethan. Go spam. Go spam. Jelly 5101. Yeah, my dog goes like this.
My dog yells just like... Freaking diabetes dog.
No, take the... Dude, your dad said that you had to go to sleep in an hour. This is soup of cow poop. He said a good farm boy has to get some sleep.
Good farm boy has to get some sleep.
Yeah, he said that.
Why are you recording me?
Because I can, shut up.
Fortnite?
That's not Fortnite, idiot. That's Call of Duty Black Ops 4, you stupid.
It's Fortnite. It says Fortnite on it. Look at this.